Have you heard of the term blockchain? It's been a buzzword in the tech industry for the past few years, but do you really know what it is and how it works? A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently, making it an ideal solution for a wide range of applications. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the inner workings of a blockchain and understand what makes it so secure and trustworthy. At its core, a blockchain is a collection of blocks that contain data. Each block has a unique identifier called a hash that distinguishes it from other blocks in the chain. In addition to the hash, blocks also contain transaction data, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block in the chain. The hash of each block is generated using a cryptographic algorithm. This algorithm takes the data in the block along with the hash of the previous block as inputs and produces a unique output. The hash of each block is then added to the block as its identifier, forming a chain of blocks that cannot be altered without changing the entire chain. In a blockchain network, there are many nodes that maintain a copy of the entire ledger. Each node can validate and process transactions, and then add them to the chain. When a new block is added to the chain, it is broadcast to all the nodes in the network. Each node then independently verifies the block and its transactions, checking that they conform to the network's rules. If a majority of nodes agree that the block is valid, it is added to the chain and becomes a permanent part of the ledger. This process is known as consensus. By having multiple nodes in the network validate each block, a blockchain ensures that no single node can manipulate the data without being detected. This makes a blockchain an incredibly secure way of storing and transmitting the information. So how do transactions work in a blockchain? Let's say Alice wants to send Bob some cryptocurrency. She will create a transaction that specifies the amount she wants to send and the recipient's address. This transaction is then broadcast to the network and added to a pool of pending transactions. In a blockchain, transactions are processed in groups or blocks. Miners are responsible for collecting the pending transactions and adding them to the block. Miners are incentivized to add transactions to the block by receiving a reward in the form of newly minted cryptocurrency. They must also solve a complex mathematical problem to add the block to the chain, a process known as proof of work. Once a miner has successfully added a block to the chain, the transactions contained in the block are considered confirmed. They are added to each node's copy of the ledger and become part of the permanent record. One of the key benefits of a blockchain is that it enables trust between parties that don't necessarily trust each other. In a traditional centralized system, trust is placed in a central authority or middleman, such as a bank or government. However, in a blockchain, trust is established through consensus and cryptographic algorithms, eliminating the need for a central authority. Another benefit of a blockchain is its transparency. All transactions are recorded in a public ledger, making it easy for anyone to view and verify the data. This level of transparency can help to increase accountability and reduce the risk of fraud or corruption. Finally, blockchains are immutable, meaning that once data has been recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted. This makes them ideal for storing important information such as financial transactions or medical records that need to be kept secure and tamper-proof. It's important to note that not all blockchains are created equal. Some blockchains, like Bitcoin, are public and allow anyone to participate. Others, like Ethereum, are more flexible and can support decentralized applications and smart contracts. There are also private blockchains, which are used by organizations to securely manage and share sensitive information within their own network. Additionally, blockchain technology has the potential to transform industries and disrupt traditional business models. For example, in the supply chain management industry, a blockchain could be used to track the origin and journey of a product from the manufacturer to the consumer. This would increase transparency and help to prevent fraud, such as counterfeiting, as each step of the supply chain would be recorded and verified on the blockchain. In the financial industry, blockchains could be used to create decentralized exchanges, allowing individuals to trade and exchange assets without the need for a central authority. This would increase efficiency, reduce costs, and give individuals greater control over their own assets. Another potential use case for blockchains is in the voting system. A blockchain-based voting system would provide a secure and transparent way of conducting elections, reducing the risk of fraud or manipulation. It's worth noting that the use of blockchains is not limited to financial or supply chain management industries. The technology has the potential to be applied in a variety of fields, such as healthcare, education, and even art and music. In conclusion, a blockchain is a secure, transparent, and immutable technology that has the potential to change the way we store and transmit information. From financial transactions to supply chain management and beyond, blockchains have the potential to disrupt traditional business models and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. So that's a brief overview of how a blockchain works. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about blockchains, please leave a comment below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Click the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.